So do what you can, but don't hurt yourself. Don't push yourself more than you should. Tune into your own bodies, please. Because this is going to be somewhat of a strenuous class tonight. So if you're young enough to do it, otherwise take breaks, do what you can. Do not hurt yourself. Each one of these exercises that we're doing tonight is for 2 minutes long. So pace yourself. Keep your spine straight. Concentration, third eye center. This set tonight is for strengthening the abdomen, digestion, focusing the energy on the material plane. You have 1 minute to go. Keep up. Do what you can. This is not too hard. Just keep your breath steady. Don't let your mind wander. This is a relatively physical class tonight. So do what you can, but work on your breath. The breath is the key to everything in life, and certainly everything in this yoga class. Do it at a speed you're comfortable, but the breath is the most important. Again, breathe with a powerful breath. Each time you extend the leg, you can exhale. Each time you bring it in, inhale. Just push that breath out and in. Consciously relax those muscles. Anything that's holding you back from stretching a little more. Go inside and find that place where you can just relax a little more and push yourself a little higher. Put your head between your knees, so you're breathing right between your knees. Long and deep breathing. And as you're doing this exercise, rock gently back and forth. Just gently, not all the way, just gently back and forth, and keep breathing. Long and deep breathing. Kind of, back and forth. You have some rocking going on here. You don't have to go all the way back into your neck, but you can just go gently back and forth, inhaling and exhaling. And the thought waves of the mind have to be still. That mirror surface that you have to see the reflected consciousness. And it's not an intellectual idea. It's a state of consciousness that is mirror surfaced, that reflects every vibration, every sound to infinity. And you walk in this state of consciousness, this elevated consciousness. And every sound that you make has infinite meaning. Every gesture you make stretches to the horizon. Everything is interconnected. Point your hands forward, put your feet up in the air, and begin a shallow breath of fire. And lift your arms and legs up. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Do what you can. This is a tough one. Reach back, come into bow pose, grab your ankles. That's it. Grab your ankles with your legs, pull up into bow pose. Head all the way up. That's it. Begin breath of fire. Perfect. 2 minutes. Again, do what you can. Don't hurt yourself. We're going to go like this. So it's going to be actually tap yourself at the heart. Inhale. Pull the energy up. Perfection pose. Exhale. Relax the breath. Put your forehead in the ground in front of you. Hands back, palms up. Two minutes. Do what you can. Try to keep your legs straight, back straight. There should be a 90-degree bend right there. It should be like 90 degrees between your legs and your back. A right angle. So do what you can. If you have to come down, come back up when you can. The last few seconds now. Powerful, powerful breath. Almost there. Everybody up. Powerful, powerful. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Relax completely. Lay in your backs. Just relax completely. Cover yourself, please. You deserve a rest.